That's delicious.
What's up guys, Michael from OutdoorEco here. We are going to be cooking up some delicious rainbow trout tacos. It's my 13th birthday, so I decided we should do some cooking. My parents got me the ingredients, and this is inspired by Leif from Northwest Fishing Secrets.
So we have some, we always find pink salt, we have our onion, some butter, chilies, very important, our lemon, more chili but I don't think we're going to use that, it's already in there, avo, cheese, tortillas, and our variety of mushrooms. And last but not least, rainbow trout.
Now for those who don't know what kind of mushroom this is a king oyster mushroom. Greetings from South Africa. Thank you for encouraging us with your amazing fishing videos. This meal is inspired by you. And guys, if you're not already subscribed to Northwest Fishing Secrets and you want to get into fishing, go and support Leif and subscribe to the channel Northwest Fishing Secrets.